Hello and welcome to the show. This is part 3 in a playlist called YouTube Beginner's Guide. Today we're going to talk about your profile picture. Now, before you click off, because maybe you've already got your profile picture sorted, I want to tell you some ways how a profile picture can really attract people to your YouTube channel and do some things that you want to do. You want to get more subscribers and you want to get some more views. So let's talk about in today's video how you can do that.
Vina V.
Hi, I'm Vina V and I fire you up to be an ultimate action taker and help you create effortless YouTube videos. This is part 3 of the playlist. If you have not watched the previous 2 videos yet, click on that card. I highly suggest you go back and watch those videos first. Now, before we get into the tutorial on how to actually create your profile picture and upload it, why is it good to have a good profile picture? When you go and comment on other YouTube channels, did you know that is a prime spot, a prime location for you to get subscribers and get views on your YouTube video? Now, I know you do this, many of us do this. We watch a YouTube video, but then we go down in the comment section and read what other people have written. That's why your profile picture is so important, because if you write a comment, you can actually get the people that are reading your comment back to your own channel. Now, I'm not saying spam the comments and say, hey, check out my channel, write thoughtful comments and make sure your profile picture is really clear. It really provokes interest, so people want to click on your comment, click on your picture, and they will get diverted back to your YouTube channel. So that's why you need to pay attention to your profile picture. Any questions about that, do comment below and I promise I will write you back a message. But without further ado, here's the tutorial on how to change your YouTube profile picture. Okay, so we're on the YouTube homepage and then we're going to click on our little picture, which is not a picture yet, on the right, top right. Let's click on that. Then we're going to click on my channel. Oh, it's coming together now, isn't it? We've put our featured channels here. We've got our username. We've got our channel banner here as well. Remember, if you want to go and watch that video, click the card that pops up now if you want to learn how to correctly do this. Right, so then we're going to click here where it says edit channel icon. Let's click on this and then click on edit. And this is how we are going to upload our photo now. Remember, with your YouTube photo, let's just go back a second because I really want to emphasize this. With our YouTube photo, we need this to be a bright image. We don't want it to be dark. We want it to represent your channel. So what is your channel about? Can you somehow put that in your profile picture? Are you going to have a logo like my other channel here, Real Mauritius? I've got a logo. I haven't got our picture. Or are you going to have a picture of yourself? As you can see here, I've got pictures of myself and my other 2 YouTube channels. The picture, it needs to be large, because can you see it shrinks it right down and you're hardly going to be able to see it. Why it's important, this picture, is that when you go and comment on other channels, people are going to check you out. So if we go on the last video we uploaded to this Vina V channel, let's scroll down here. So can you see these pictures come up so small? This one here, so Janya Ariana, oh, nice name by the way. Can you see that's actually a really great photo because maybe you could be smiling in it, but apart from that, it's lovely, it's big, it's bright, we can see it. People are more likely to click on it. So your profile picture is actually really important. So let's just go back. Right, so let's click on this, edit. And like I was saying, if your channel is about cooking, you should be in a kitchen, or you holding, I don't know, a knife and fork, or with a chef's hat. If your channel is about beauty, maybe hold some makeup brushes in your hand. If you run a business. Your profile picture should be you sat in your office, or you, whatever your business is about, it needs to be business related. Okay, and this is my example. So this channel that you're watching is currently all about YouTube tips for beginners, getting your confidence up, getting you positive, and you know, it's all about me delivering you that information about YouTube. So as you can see, nice smiley face. Maybe I could have been looking into the camera, but you know, this will do for now. So nice smiling face and me holding a YouTube notebook to show this channel is all about YouTube. So get creative. Remember that you can simply take a photo on your mobile phone. You do not have to hire a professional photographer, but just get something that really does represent your channel. Okay, cool. So once you've got your photo, you're going to come here and then you're going to click upload photo. So this one I'm about to upload was taken yesterday, actually, on my mobile phone. That's it. I haven't messed around with the dimensions. I simply took this on my mobile phone. So I'm going to double click on the picture I want. So double clicked on there. And then we need to position this where we want it to be. Now, remember I told you we need a big image. So this is going to be way too small on YouTube. So I'm actually going to make this really, really small, this box here. Can you see? And what that does is going to make my face bigger in the profile picture. And you'll see what I mean in just a second. So all I did is I'm dragging this. So I'm going to drag it. I know this isn't an ideal picture, but we don't know what this channel is going to be about yet. Social media tutorials, I'm guessing. So I will probably change this at some point. But for right now, this will do. So I'm just going to crop it a bit more. There we go. And this isn't my normal self. I don't really do these moody poses. I'm always smiling. Right, there we go. And then when we're happy with that, we're just going to simply press done. And there you go. And if we want to see what that looks like on our YouTube channel, we're going to go back. Sometimes this takes quite a while to refresh. It may take a couple of hours, so just be patient, but don't worry, that has saved. And at some point, maybe over the next, it might take 5 minutes, an hour, that will eventually change. If you found that video useful, okay, wish that I could let you know. Me say, what's the matter with me? What's the matter with me? Please click share. There's a little button down there, so share it over onto your social media. And if you have not watched part 1 and 2 yet, like magic, they've popped up on your screen right now. Please remember to be an action taker, be a happiness hunter, get out there into the world and find what makes you happy, because if you don't go and take action, if you don't go and find what makes you happy, no one is gonna do it for you. I love you lots. My name's Vina V and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.